Hi everyone, today we'll be learning about 3-point lighting to make our shots look professional on camera. Let's begin. So basically, in the 3-point lighting, there are 3 lightnings we use in shooting. We have the key light, we have the fill light, and we have the backlight. All these lights are what makes our image come out better and professional. They make our image, or they make what we are capturing look appealing to the eyes. Now we'll be looking at the effects of all these lights as we go. Now let's see the effects. Now we'll be looking at the key light. The key light is known as the main light. Now it is the brightest in the room. It creates the shape and shadows on the face of the object or this image you want to capture. Now let's see the effect of the key light. We can see how the image is looking now. You can see. We can see the shadows, how the image is looking. The next light we'll be looking at is the fill light. Now, what does the fill light do? You can see that this place is well lighted, while this place has a shadow. Now, the fill light softens the shadow here. It softens it and makes it add a tone to it. Let's see the effect. Now we can see the effects of this light. You can see how the key light is coming, and we can see how the fill light is making the subject look natural, reducing the shadow that was cast on this side. You can see the light, you can see it softening the shadow. Now another light we'll be looking at is the backlight. The backlight, as the name implies, goes at the back of the subject or the image you want to capture. Now the backlight separates the subject from the background. It gives the image a depth. You can see the effect of this backlight. The image is now looking natural and professional. Now we can see with the effects of this key light, the fill light and the backlight, we are seeing that our image is looking well lit and professional. So it's important that we use light and we position the lights well when we are shooting our image. Thank you very much.